Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about JSTOR as a academic database. So this is when you first log in from the front range site. It brings us to this page, and so this is where you can do your initial search. So for my search, I just did a keyword of strangers because that relates to the topic I'm doing. But you can do publication date, item types, all sorts of things. And then you can pick results for different sections. So I did communications and psychology for mine, but there's a bunch of options. Let's see. And then if I submit it, if I click it right, oh my goodness. Then it'll bring me here to all these options. So I can see I have 177 results. For me, I'm going to pick journals for this regard. So then once I get here, I can scroll through them. I can sift through them further by adding different results options. Yes, if I want to refine them more, I can click here. You can also, one thing that's cool about this is you can search through images as well. For what I'm searching, there's not going to really be any images, but you can search through images. And if you're going through here too, one thing that's cool is that I can download it, I can save it to this where I can access it later up here at the top in my workspace, or I can cite it. So say I wanted to use Psychology of Daydreams, I can click cite and it'll give me 3 different kinds. So I can just copy it straight from here. So I don't have to go to another site to try to further cite it. When I click it, this is how the information is presented. Once it loads, you'll be able, there we go. We'll be able to see the actual publication. So I can click through it here, and then they'll show me related text, which I appreciate as well. And yeah, that's JSTOR. Thank you.